Welcome to the Eternity Token Migration tutorial video. We have prepared a landing page which you can see on my screen to help guide you through the process. In this page you can see how many tokens have been migrated so far, as well as the steps which constitute token migration. First step is to create an account on the Eternity blockchain. Second step is to use the token migration web application to transfer your Eternity ERC20 tokens to the token migration smart contract. The third step is that the token migration smart contract receives your Eternity ERC20 tokens. And then the last step is that your tokens become available on the Eternity blockchain at the address which you created in the first step. We're completing the token migration in 4 phases. The original phase was before we launched the Eternity mainnet, and the remaining 3 phases are taking place until September 2019. We have also included the answers to the most frequently asked questions, and at the bottom in the footer you can see a link to a thread in our forum where you can ask all the questions that you have related to the token migration. So let's begin. I'm going to tap Start Migration, which is going to open the token migration web application. I am going to create the address with the AirGap Vault application. So I'm going to tap Get Started under it. And here I'm prompted with some tutorials related to the next steps I'm going to go through. This sequence relates to generating a secret and keeping it secure, verifying the secret. And then the next sequence is related to creating a Eternity blockchain wallet and finding its address, which we're going to use in the token migration web application. So I'm going to tap Start Migration and switch to my phone. On my phone I have the AirGap the AirGap Vault application, and I'm going to tap Generate to generate a secret. At this point, I'm prompted to enter 4 inputs which make my secret as random as possible. The first input is video, the second one is audio, the third one is the movement of my device, and then the fourth one is this finger input, which I'm scribbling on the screen right now. Now that I've done that, I'm going to untape my camera to get the video input to 100%. I'm just moving my phone in front of my laptop to do that. Almost there. And great. Now I can hit continue. And here I'm prompted to make sure I know how to store my passphrase or my secret securely. I'm going to hit understood. And now I'm getting my secret. I want to write my secret down, so I'm going to do just that. Great, I wrote it down, and I hit next step. Now I need to confirm it. My secret is version, sniff, left, acoustic, jungle, private, limit, learn, salmon, capital, start, jewel, resemble, getter, creek, toward, melt, bracket, lead, essence, time, federal, elder, and glue. Then I hit continue, and I'm prompted to enter a name for my secret. just going to type a secret. I could also enter a passcode, but I'm not going to do that right now, so I'm just going to hit confirm. And at the next screen, I am prompted to create a wallet on the Eternity blockchain. I'm going to do that by tapping Eternity, which is the last option, and then I hit next, and I'm prompted to use my Touch ID to confirm. Just did that. And now I can see my wallet in the AirGap Vault wallets view. I'm going to tap it to see my address. And now I can come back to the Eternity token migration web application and tap scan from AirGap. This is going to prompt me to use my laptop camera to scan the address. I did just that. And now I can confirm that the address is the same. It looks the same to me, so I'm going to tap I'm certain my address and identify my correct. And then I'm going to tap continue. At this point, I need to choose where I'm going to send my ERC 28 tokens from. I'm doing this with MetaMask, so I'm going to tap proceed with MetaMask. And here, MetaMask asks me to connect the Eternity token migration smart contract to my account in MetaMask, so I'm going to do that, hit connect. And on the next screen, I can see my Ethereum account, and I can also enter the amount of Eternity ERC20 tokens that I'd like to migrate. I entered 0.1, and now I'm going to review the terms of service. I've already read them, so I can just go back to the token migration web application, hit I agree to the terms of service, and then hit make transaction. At this point, MetaMask asks me to confirm the transaction, which includes the Ethereum gas fee. I'm going to hit confirm. And now I just need to wait for the transaction confirmation. As soon as the transaction is successful, I'm going to be taken to the results page. And this may take a moment, so please be patient during this part of the migration process. My transaction was successful, so I am taken to the results screen. On this screen, I can see the address at which my tokens will be available on the Eternity blockchain. I could see that I migrated 0.1 during the current phase, and I can see that I did not migrate any tokens during the original phase. At this point, I could save this data by hitting print or save as PDF. I could also bookmark this screen by using bookmark functionality on my browser. And if I wanted to see this tool without the address where my tokens will be available in the Eternity blockchain, I could remove this part of the URL. And then when I refresh the page, I will see the tool without my Eternity blockchain address, which will allow me to check the status of other migrations. In other words, if I if I'm going to be expecting tokens at other Eternity blockchain addresses. This is it. If you have any questions related to the token migration procedure, feel free to ask them at the forum, and you can see the link here at Visit Our Forum. Thank you.